the cholinergic forums will ask you to describe the nicotinic receptors and where are they found. Neuromuscular junction is what I want you to know. I want you to know where the nicotinic receptors are. I want you to know where the muscarinic receptors are. I want you to understand what acetylcholinesterase is. It's the enzyme that breaks down acetylcholine, and why are cholinesterase inhibitors cholinomimetic. Can you describe bothanicol, pilocarpine, edrophonium, which is tensilon, neostigmine, and physostigmine? All the stigmines are cholinesterase inhibitors, and you'll notice all of these are cholinomimetics, and even though they have all sorts of different indications and uses, I want you to see that their effects are the same across the board. So I want you to be able to describe organophosphates. They're used as insecticides. It's used as military nerve gas. So what are the signs of organophosphate poisoning and how is it treated? Describe Sjogren's syndrome. It's dry eye and dry mouth due to antibodies blocking the muscarinic receptors on the lacrimal glands and the salivary glands. How is it treated? With cholinomimetic drugs. What is myasthenia gravis? Myasthenia gravis is a weakness of the muscles due to an autoimmune process, immune globulins blocking nicotinic receptors in the neuromuscular junction. And we'll use the same class of drugs to treat these diseases. Edrophonium is tensilon. The tensilon test is very interesting to read about. For those of you going into anesthesia, can you describe what depolarizing and non-depolarizing blockade is in anesthesia? So when somebody is undergoing surgery, we want them to be paralyzed to relax their muscles. It makes it easier to do the surgery when the muscles aren't tense. And so depolarizing would be something like succinylcholine. It will depolarize the membrane and leave it depolarized so it doesn't function. But other paralytic agents are non-depolarizing. They'll block the nicotinic receptor, preventing acetylcholine from working. So see if you can spend some time figuring out the difference between depolarization and non-depolarization blockade.